Hello people, considering I do 2 videos at a time, so this is me again. And actually soon I'll probably start this whole thing of telling you all about I was just thinking I need to review a whole spectrum of products, because it's just nice, right, to know that this particular product is good and not that. Vanda ki something kilo, Vanda ki something, Vanda means 100, so for $100 you get some kilo something. It's so difficult to record. Sometimes you have ambient noise, sometimes there's so many things happening at the same time. So but it looks like it's a weekend for me, and then I need to be with my child, and lockdown is being lifted soon and there's so much of noise. So when things calm down, I'll make another video. On that note, yeah, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. But